dun po sa mga hindi na nakakaalala, si Congresswoman Leila de Lima, dati rin po yung batikang election lawyer. Okay? She wore so many hats before. Gusto ko pong tanongin yung opinion nyo regarding this recommendation by a COMELEC office to basically not hold accountable itong si Chis Escudero for receiving 30 million pesos in campaign contribution from a government contractor. The reason being was that was a personal donation, hiwalay doon sa kanyang pagiging head ng kumpanya. I'm talking about Lawrence Lubiano.
Kaya nga po yung aking statement, yung nag-issue po ako ng statement dyan, ang sabi ko po, tiningnan ba talaga nila, binusisi ba talaga nila yung ownership of that company. You know, yung kasi there's such a thing as yung beneficial ownership, and then there's also such a thing as the piercing of the corporate veil, na isa lang yan, yung natural juridical, yung entity, yung corporate entity, and then the person, isa lang yan. So hindi pwedeng paghiwalayan. So ang sabi ko nga, they may have been short of diligence in their inquiry into the matter. Anyway, recommendatory lang naman yan. Mas maigi siguro kung i-refer the matter to the law department para mas ang kanilang scrutiny based on law, based on facts. So bago yan itaas sa COMELEC and bank. So it requires further scrutiny. I'm not in agreement. Parang medyo merong mali dun sa recommendation na yon.